Today we're giving the classic strawberry cake a makeover with this fun chevron cake design. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of cane sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Add in 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 57 grams of plain Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. Mix on low until combined. The mixture will look like cottage cheese. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix again before adding in the flour. And then last, add in 170 grams of cake flour, 2 tablespoons of strawberry powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix on low until a smooth cake batter forms. Be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure everything is mixed well. While I'm using my stand mixer, you can also use a hand mixer to make the cake batter if you prefer. Transfer the batter to a 9-inch cake pan that's lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely before making the ganache. In a heat-proof bowl, add 12 ounces of chopped white chocolate and a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring between each one until completely melted. Then add in 2 teaspoons of strawberry powder and mix it combined completely until you have a pink ganache. Allow the ganache to sit and cool for about 15 minutes before topping the cake. During this time, melt the additional 2 ounces of chopped white chocolate, doing 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring between each one. Then transfer the melted white chocolate to a piping bag and cut a small hole. Add the pink white chocolate ganache on top of the cake and spread it out evenly. Using the white chocolate ganache, draw lines on top of the cake that are about 1 inch apart. Then, using a butter knife, draw perpendicular lines going up and down, spacing them 1 inch apart to make the chevron design. I love that this design is so easy, yet it looks so cool. Top with a strawberry and you have a beautiful strawberry cake for any occasion. If you want more cake recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.